for sale. I got a 69 Nova. It's believed to be a real super sport. It has all the signs of a super sport. Now whether it's a 350 super sport or a 396, I am not sure. Or original I should say, but it has a 396 in it now, dated from 1969. It was sold in Louisiana, and it has been in Louisiana for the majority of its life. Previous owner in Louisiana since '78. It's an older repaint car, but it's nice. It's got the Super Sport wheels on it. Like I said, I'll point out some flaws as I go, and I guess you can determine what you think of the paint. It's factory correct Dover white with its factory correct bench seat. Black bench seat. There's a little chip there, a little touch-up in chip. Vinyl top. The chrome is nice. The trim is in older condition, but decent. You know how you get like little scratches up here. Looks like a little sanding mark on the glass. Power steering and power brakes. It's an automatic column shifter, and it has overdrive. So there's low 2 and low 1. There's a little warp in the door panel down there. It's got black carpet and these mats, but the carpet's good. Nice and black. I missed a little bit vacuuming, of course. See, another little fuzzy. You rush and you miss stuff. But the bench seats, very nice condition. Like I said, has a automatic with overdrive. Dash is good quality. There's a little chip there. Fires right up. It's got 82,000 miles now. I think that's original miles. The undercarriage is nice and clean, so I have to assume it hasn't rolled over yet. Oh, and there's a little poked hole in the headliner. So I would say it's a nice driver quality Nova. You get a big block cruiser, automatic. You're not killing yourself to drive it and shift all the time. I got NCRS paperwork that shows where it was sold from, new, in Louisiana. Just another little crack there. The trunk is excellent and detailed. It's got its original 68-69 plate on it. It is a previous air conditioning car. No longer. Go back there. It has power disc brakes as well in the front. Tires are brand new, 12-bolt rear. I've been getting a lot of Novas lately. Don't ask me why. Not that I don't like them, I do like them, but this is the one I can drive. Automatic. And I have driven it a little bit, and I would say it drives pretty nice. It fires right up. No issues starting it. Cruises easily. The power brakes and the power steering definitely help it out. It's got a nice sound to it. It'll be for sale soon on eBay and my website, nextgenclassiccars.com. Both links are in the description. If you have seen my other videos, I have two that were both black on black bucket seat 4-speed cars, also 396 high horsepowers. And I would say that this is along the same category quality wise, slightly below, and I asked 38 and 35 for the pair, and this one I will be asking 32.9 or 31.9. And I'll be negotiable on my price as always, so if you're interested, get in touch with me and I can sell you the car and you can have it. See, it's original sticker, Louisiana. That's from 1980, actually. There you go.